In a certain town, there lived 6 men who had been blind since birth. One day, a king brought a magnificent elephant to the town square and invited the blind men to experience it. "Touch it and tell me what it is like," the king said. The first man walked up, and his hand landed on the elephant's broad, sturdy side. "Huh, well," he said, "it seems an elephant is very much like a wall." The second man stepped forward and felt the sharp, smooth tusk. "A wall? No," he said. "This is round and sharp. An elephant is like a spear." The third man approached and happened to take hold of the wriggling trunk. "You are both wrong," he cried. "An elephant is clearly like a snake." The fourth man reached out and wrapped his arms around one of the giant legs. "It is plain to me," he declared, "that an elephant is like a tree trunk." The fifth man, who touched the giant sweeping ear, said, "Huh, even a child could tell this is like a large fan." And the sixth man, who had taken hold of the tail, shouted, "You are all fools! An elephant is exactly like a rope." The men immediately began to argue, each one insisting that their own experience was the absolute truth, and that all the others were wrong. Their dispute grew louder and louder. The king finally stepped forward and calmed them. "You are all correct," he said, "and you are all wrong." He explained that each of them had only touched one part of the animal. Their individual perspective was true, but it was not the whole truth. To truly understand what an elephant is, they would have to listen to each other and piece their experiences together. This story is a powerful metaphor for our own lives. The elephant represents any complex problem or situation: a disagreement at work, a family conflict, a political issue. We are the blind men. We each approach the world from our own limited viewpoint, shaped by our unique experiences and knowledge. We touch one small part of the truth, and we confidently mistake it for the whole truth. We then argue with others who have touched a different part, unable to understand how they can be so wrong. The lesson of the elephant is one of humility. It reminds us that our perspective, while true for us, is never the complete picture. True wisdom is found not in defending our own small piece of the truth, but in having the curiosity to ask others, "What part are you touching?" This story was filled with lessons. Which one landed right in your heart? I'll be reading every comment to see which parts connected with you the most.